the minimum standard of competency for security-related familiarization training that each seafarer must be able to do prior to going on board ship is to first is understand the requirements of the international ship and port facility security ISPS code. Second is to recognize security threats and vulnerabilities to the ship, its cargo. Third, report security incident including piracy or armed robbery threats or attack. Fourth is know the procedure to follow when they recognize a security threat. Fifth, take part of security-related emergency and contingency procedure. And sixth, understand the need for methods of maintaining security awareness and vigilance. And lastly is protect sensitivity security information. And also there's addition to the above spurs with this designated security duties must also be able to. First is undertake the security patrols and inspection. Second is operate security equipment. Third is respond to security incident. And fourth is liaise with port and other security authorities.